I added an additional node project to my portfolio, which is again in the GPU cloud and AI space, and it's called XallyAI. So in today's video, I want to show you, of course, what's behind XallyAI, what the tokenomics are, how you can purchase nodes from them, and how lucrative this might be in the future. So let's dive right into it. What they are basically doing is they are building AI chatbots for different platforms or different tools which you can use on a day-to-day basis. You can see they already have a lot of existing products for the main meme coins on the Solana network. Or for example, they have very interesting products coming soon. For example, bots that help you with your search engine optimization, bots that compromise your data, and then filters for you for the most important key metrics. And then there are, of course, a lot more. They have quite a lot of partnerships already, and they are in the accelerator program of, for example, Google Cloud here in this case as well. And alone the keywords here in this case, so GPU cloud and AI innovation, should do very well in the future. These are buzzwords all the people out there like currently. And the great thing is we are in the initial stages of their node sale. So that's why I think it's a very good time to position in a project like this. If you want to get even more information straight from the team side, you can join the AMA, which will happen today on the 23rd of April at 3 p.m. UTC time. This video should also be released by the time. If you missed this live event, you potentially can also listen to the recording. So let's get into the tokenomics regarding their own Xally token. The initial allocation for node runners here in this case will be at 30%. So almost 1/3 of the overall supply will go again to all node runners. And there's also an airdrop which will happen at TGE, which we can see down in the vesting schedule. So there will be a 15% airdrop on TGE, which will be vested over 2 years for all node holders. And all the other allocations here from the public sale, for example, are also vested. You can see over 3 years, and there is a 1-year cliff where no funds are distributed to the ecosystem marketing or the team. As I always stress in my videos regarding those nodes, it is essential to get in early into those projects, because in the early stages, like we are currently at XallyAI, you get the most rewards in form of the tokens from your node, as it is in this case as well. So they have 30-day periods, and the token supply decreases after every 30-day period by roughly 10%, as you can see here. And for the initial 30 days where we are currently in, we are just at around day 4 or 5, they provide all in all 22 million Xally tokens, which is basically the node reward token, which later on can be converted into the Xally token. And your rewards are calculated on an hourly basis. So once you set up everything and your nodes started running, you will see your rewards on an hourly basis here. I can also show you that with my 5 nodes, which are already running for roughly 4 hours. And each of those nodes already accumulated me 61 Xally tokens. So the dashboard here in this case is very similar to the one of StarMake, for example. If you got into this one, there's nothing difficult you have to know here. They also, for example, display the estimated rewards here on their white paper for X amount of active nodes. Currently, we are here in the first stage before we reach 3K active nodes, and there you get 10.19 Xally token on a hourly basis. And this again, of course, decreases over time as more and more nodes get purchased. And with every 30-day period we cross, because the node rewards get slashed every time by roughly 10%. Then if we take a look on the node pricing, because it's available on 2 networks, you can purchase the nodes currently on Arbitrum, and they also just went live on Solana, as this Twitter post shows here. They currently have 1,000 nodes in tier 1 on Solana available for roughly 1 SOL. So this is around 150, 155 US dollars right now. And once those all get purchased, they will move on to tier 2. And they also have this displayed over here in their white paper. They have an overall node supply of 50K. Most likely they will never sell 50K of those nodes because they get more expensive as the sale continues. And as we can see here again in the tier 1 on Arbitrum, they provide 2,000 nodes for a price of 0.049 Ethereum. And if we scroll all the way down, the total supply of the Solana nodes is at 24.5K. The tier 1 here in this case is priced at roughly 1 Solana with a quantity of 1,000 nodes. So let's dive into how you can purchase those nodes. First thing you want to do is you want to choose the network you want to purchase them on. So Solana and Arbitrum is available. If you want to purchase them on Solana, you of course need a Solana wallet. So maybe use Phantom or, for example, the Backpack wallet. On Arbitrum, you can just use MetaMask, Rabby wallet, or whatever EVM compatible wallet you want to use. Then you just connect your wallet. In my case, I'm now showing this to you on Solana. So I just confirm this. Then you can choose the amount of nodes. In my case, I purchased 5 of them initially. And then you can also add a promotion code, which gives you 5% off. I got one for you in this case. So you just enter Xally minus triple D. You just apply this, and then you have to pay 4.7 Solana for those 5 nodes. Final step, you just click on purchase, and then those node licenses or node keys basically get transferred over to your wallet. If you want to do it on Arbitrum, it's basically the same process. You just choose the amount of nodes, you insert the promotion codes, and then 5 nodes would currently cost you 0.233 Ethereum. And after you purchase your allocation of nodes, you of course want to make sure that you accumulate rewards through setting those nodes up. Therefore, you just navigate over to their white paper and download the node dashboard. Here in this case, you can do it, of course, on your computer or laptop, but I can recommend you to do it on a VPS because you make sure that you have 24 hours uptime and don't miss out on any rewards. I will, of course, as I do it for all the other ones as well, make a dedicated guide on how you can set up this node project on a VPS. I will probably publish it on Friday or Saturday. So if you don't know how to do it with the instructions here from the white paper, just wait for the video, which will be published on the weekend. And that's basically it for the initial video about XallyAI. I will of course keep you updated on anything that happens in this project. If you don't want to miss those updates or other opportunities regarding node projects, this is the right channel for you. Just click the subscribe button. If you like today's one, hit the like button as well. And then we'll meet in the next one. See you then.